So let me know when you're done. Okay, let me go down here. Let's try to keep string comparison. Done. Okay. Write this.
Sir, can you please show me a previous hand?
Okay, you didn't write the previous screen, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. Not done, is it?
Sir, can you
Start
go?
letting us.
Sir, can you go little up? There is one
Okay.
line. One line is there.
Okay. Done.
No, sir.
Okay, let me go down a little.
Oh, stop it there only.
Okay. Done, guys. This is done, right? Let me know when you're done. Okay?
This sheet is done, sir. You can go to next sheet.
Okay, you can start writing here. Done?
No, sir.
1 minute, sir.
No, is it? Wait. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Done? Okay.
Sir, need to write example programs.
Yeah, write the first example. Done the program? Write second program too. Let me know when you're done till the end. So done? Write till the end of second program. Don't write the third. Let me know when you're done, okay? Done? Okay. Write the summary. Done, guys? Still not done?
Done, sir.
Okay, let me stop the share. So we'll start with simple matrix program. Yesterday we discussed, right, little bit of the matrix concept. What exactly it is, let us see one by one, okay? Then we'll start with strings and then we'll have a lot of fun, okay? Just let me stop the share. Let me do the download. So my laptop is not working properly. A second. Till the Eclipse install, let us see the programs here. Okay. Let me share the online compiler for the time being. Now, you remember how we were doing yesterday? Matrix and all. You tell me how we'll do initialization of a 2 by 2 matrix.
Int
Int.
square brackets, like 2 square brackets.
So we have to do like this, correct?
Yeah. And we have to variable, like we can take matrix, we are getting, right? Matrix we can take. And
Matrix
equal,
1
yeah,
equal to
new int.
New.
We can take rows and columns.
Rows and columns.
Okay, rows and columns. Let us do 2 and 2 for now. Okay, we are not giving dynamically. We are adding it here. Okay, now. So let us take another one, which is a second one. Same thing in int. So matrix 2. So new of same rows and columns. And I'm taking just 2 of 2. Now, we know how we'll add the values, right? Remember how we were doing? We were doing for loop,
Yes.
right? Okay. Let's take a scanner class. You know how to take a scanner class? Okay, let's take scanner class here itself. I don't know whether you can import it or not.
Import Java.
Tutorial
Dot scanner.
scanner. I think it should work. Nice. So now the scanner
Let's see.
scan equal to new scanner system.in. Okay. So now let us take a for loop to add in matrix 1. Okay. So let's say for int I equal to 0, I less than 2
Rows.
or 2 minus 1.
Rows. Two only.
2 only.
Mhm.
So okay, I plus plus. Okay, let us take another for loop. I'll just copy this. So j equal to 0. So equal to 0. J less than 2, j plus plus. Okay, so now we will take, if you want to add what we're doing, matrix
Matrix
of
1.
I,
I.
sorry, I and j, right?
Yes.
I and j equal to
Yes. C dot
scan dot
next line.
next,
Next int.
right? Till
Yes.
this point understood? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm just having a habit of saving it. Just hold on. Okay, I think it's Eclipse is also ready. We can use that Eclipse itself. Okay. So this is a Mac anyway. The functionality will be similar only. Don't worry on that. So it is to INJ, right? 1 second. Let me launch this. You can use the same Eclipse here itself. Good, good. So my screen is properly visible, right?
Yes.
So let us create a Java project. Okay, no problem. Create a Java project here. Nice. So project name, let's take so training finish. Now in the training, how you will do? First, we'll go inside the source. First, we'll add a package. So package, let's put QA circle. Finish. Good. In QA circle, what we used to do? Class.
Yes.
So let us put class as matrix, something like that. Okay, and we also want a main class. Now, I think it is not visible properly. Let me go to window, pref. Okay, zoom. Okay, now it's visible.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Now, let me copy that program which I had added here. Let us take the similar concept. Okay, chalo. Okay, good. So yeah, I have to import also. I'll just over it. It will give me the Java editor. Good. So let me close this one also. I don't need this. Okay. So I don't need this also. Okay. Is this okay? No. So guys, if I run this, what will happen? It will ask me for enter the values. Where is the console? It's training. Okay. It's okay. I have to go to Windows again. Show view. I need to see console. Okay, awesome. So yeah, I just have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So see, let me put the console to the bottom. Add it. Good. So I think this is properly visible.
Yes.
Okay, good. So first, let us see the sum of two matrices. For example, you remember the yesterday we were having a discussion of the Excel, how to do a
Yes.
sum. Okay, for to take a sum, let us take one more array, which is here int of sum equal to new int of 2. Correct? Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. So we'll also display the matrix in a matrix format. That is also really important to showcase. We can also showcase like this. If we have, let's say, sys out. If I put the sys out here, okay. System dot out dot println. I want to display exactly this one. So if I put like this, it will display in single format, right? Straight line. What if I give print and if I give space here, it will give separately in a simple line. For example, let me copy this here. Let me add this here also. Matrix 2 of I and j. And if I just add system.out.print here ln, and if I just put system.out.println after the small one. So if I just execute this, so if I just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many times it's going? Wait. Okay, it's printing each and every line. Okay. I want to display it. So displaying is different. So you guys not getting interaction, not getting the flow, is it? What I'm trying to do?
Getting, sir.
Okay. So if you guys are silent, if you guys are not understand, let me know. Okay. First, I'm trying to do a sum. Okay. For doing a sum, I want it to display in a matrix format. I'm just trying that. Okay. Nothing else. So I'm just giving matrix 2 here. Okay. Now it should work. Okay. Let me expand the screen. Let me remove the screen here so that it's properly visible. Let me run this. Okay. Tell me 4 elements.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to remove here also. Wait. I want to put like this. I want to put like this here also. I don't display. I want to only display here. So let me execute it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Okay. Next 4 elements are 4, 5, 6, 7. See? We have got one matrix 1, 2, 3, 3. We have got another matrix. Okay. So if I want to add these two, right, what should be the final answer? Well, let me put one extra space here. Okay. So that it will differentiate. Copy this, paste it here. Now tell me the sum of these two matrices, how it will be?
5, 7, 9, 10.
5, 7, 9, 10. You're copying one, adding this 1 to 4 is
Yes.
5, 2 to 5 is 7,
5,
3, 6 is 9, 3, 7 is 10. Okay.
10.
So
Yeah.
same one. Let me go with the similar thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, so now it displayed properly two different metrics. Okay. Now I'm using the same flow, guys. Okay. Just see the program. Okay. I'll give you this. For the people who are not understanding, I'm just adding. Then we can go for strings. Okay. I just want to you show the sum of two metrics. And this is how we will print the matrix. I'm just using a simple terminology. Okay. So for sum, how will you do it? Who do it? Any idea? Simple. The concept you know, right? 1 to 1 here. Here, if you see it, it should be 2, 4, 6, and 8. How will you do it? Anyone? Anyone? Divya, Reshma, we have Rajesh, Sharad. Not understanding, guys? Is it that tough? I never thought it is that tough. Okay. Okay. So final answer, no one has getting it. No one is getting it. Okay. Chalo. Let me only explain. Again, the same thing, guys. Here we are doing matrix I plus j, right? And giving the scan end, we have to just remove that. Okay. Only thing we have to do. What was our first matrix? Sum is the one we want to display. Sum equal to sum of ij. Yeah, go on.
Equal with plus
That's it. Plus equal to. What do I do?
matrix of IJ.
My matrix of ij plus matrix 2 of
two
ij.
IJ.
If I want to display, how will I display the sum? Again, I have to use loop.
Loop.
Okay. Then I'll just differentiate this. I'll just use here. Sum of two matrices are. I'll take this code also. Okay. Sum of two matrices. Okay. So I'll just copy this. I'll just paste it here. Again, the code wise don't see much. Okay. Don't worry about the code for now. Okay. So now let me execute it. Now you tell me the four elements.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Again, one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, see, this is the first one. The second one. We got the sum 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yes.
Are we good? So this is what the program wanted you guys to do. Simple program. Just add an array in a matrix format. It is 2 by 2 matrix. You remember long back when we had in school 2 by 2 matrix and all?
Yes.
Right? Okay, good. So this one I was talking about. Let me copy this. Let me put it in the chat. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, take that one. Let me remove this also. So good, guys. Shall we start string? Everyone okay?
Yeah.
Chalo, so we'll start strings. Any doubt in that? Any doubt in the current program?
No.
Okay, chalo. So let me add a class. First, let me put strings training. So strings, a lot of things to discuss, guys. A lot of things, okay? And there are many questions for you. 1 second. So this will be really interesting, okay? Strings one. So now, remember long back, maybe not that long back, I told how many times you declare a string. So string name equal to, let's say, who do we have, which we haven't used. So Jyoti, I don't know, maybe I haven't used Jyoti. Jyoti, I'm just using a name to showcase the string. Okay. Now, tell me, I have declared name as Jyoti, right? Is there any way to declare a Jyoti name? Come on, guys. Come on, easy only.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Can you
Okay.
repeat?
So remember how we were using int I equal to 10. We were doing declaration assignment in here itself. This is declaring data type of I, variable name. This is a 10 value. Okay.
Yeah.
So name is Jyoti. Is there any way I can do the declaration assignment?
Mm,
I'll give you a hint. String is also a class, right? Now you tell me how we were creating an object using class.
Like class name, new is
Class name. If the class name itself is string now, reference variable we need, right?
reference variable equals
So
to
So let's say
News.
name2 equal to new
News.
New string.
string is a class name.
Class
Now
name.
here,
Class
no.
name.
So this is also correct. Now the name2, if I just type name2, control space of good. If I just put name2, what will be the answer?
Jyoti.
Name2 is Jyoti. Okay, let's see.
No.
Did you get anything? No.
Okay.
No.
So to get Jyoti, right, we have to add it here.
And
So this is also another way to declare and assign a value. Got Jyoti?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so let us take another name. Tell me one more. You guys want to tell what should I write in the name first?
Deepu.
Deep. Okay. So I want to. Sorry. Good name. Deep is good name. Great name. Okay. So I want Deepu space Jyoti. How will I write it here? How do I concatenate?
Append.
Append. No. Let's not go to
Plus.
methods. Just to think how we can append. What like how we can concatenate.
Using plus, like, string concatenate we used to do, right?
System
We used to do
dot-
plus.
Yes.
Plus. Remember?
Yeah.
Plus.
Okay. No.
Plus.
Yeah. Tell me
Yes.
how do I do plus? Deepu
Name
space
two,
Jyoti.
Space. Inverted
Plus.
Name.
comma plus. Name. One.
Name
Space.
Name
plus.
plus space
Mm,
name 2.
Again plus
Again plus
Plus.
name 2.
Plus
Name
name 2.
two.
name two.
Okay. Let us see the answer. Deepu Jyoti came.
Yes.
Okay. Now. So how do I use in Java? Now without using space, I have to do. How will I do it? There is a method. Okay. I'll tell. Now I need Deepu space Jyoti. Okay. There is a method called concat. Okay. Let me put string name3 equal to. So when you add this one, this is a reference variable also, variable also, name. What is the
Yes.
name? Right?
Uh,
You put just dot. There are n number of methods. You see here, you can play around like anything. There is something called concat. Here, see, it is asking already it took name2. Now, if I will not get exactly Deepu space Jyoti, I'll get the new name. I don't know whether this person exists or not. I don't know whether do you guys name Deepu Jyoti anyone? Like this? Is there a name? Or does the name make sense? No, right? I don't know. If doesn't make sense, don't quote me, guys. I'm just explaining you. Now, did we get a method here, concat?
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Now, what if I want to reverse Deepu name to like this? UPEED. This is reverse. Okay. How do I reverse it?
Name dot reverse.
Using name dot reverse.
Name dot reverse. Okay. There are many things. First, we'll see inbuilt wala. Then we'll see using loops. We'll see. Okay. So if I put sys out, control space. It's always confusing in Mac. So name dot R, if I put, what is there? Reverse is there?
Verse.
Reverse is not there, right? How will we get reverse? Okay. So now, so Java is not that straightforward. We have to do some kind of things here. There is something called string builder. Okay. I gave the notes. You can look into it. Okay. So if I put string builder of, instead of name, let's say name4 equal to Let me write Deepu. So what is the error here?
Cannot convert string to string.
Cannot come occur. Okay. Okay. Um sorry. So not directly taking the name. So string builder is also a class. Okay. Now, so in order to use the reverse, guys, inbuilt method. So I'm just using here string builder sb equal to, no, again try new
New string builder.
string builder of name.
Name.
Okay. So now SB has Deepu. Now you tell me, can I put SB dot reverse now? Hey, what is happening? Sysout. Okay, sysout spelling itself is wrong. Okay. SB dot
Reverse.
reverse. Do we have reverse?
Yes.
Finally, we got reverse.
Sir.
Yeah.
Good. Now, if I print this, we got the same. This one, you peed, you something. Okay. Sorry, guys, don't quote me on this. I don't know how Deepu what will become. Okay. Did we reverse it?
Yes.
Right. Now you tell me, how do we reverse it without using reverse method? Think. It's easy. It's very easy. Using for loop. Very easy. Okay, first tell me, how did we reverse elements in an array? Go to that concept. How did we reverse elements in an array?
Decrement, sir. I minus.
Yeah, we did.
Length minus 1.
So let's do that. Let's do the same. Okay, same concept. Okay, int I equal to
0.
0.
Zero.
If we are doing reverse, what we have to do?
Length minus 1.
Length.
A name dot see. Name is also a class, means also Deepu. So if you put name, what do you have to write here?
Length.
Length. See,
Minus
there is a difference here. Length is a method in string because string is a class. You remember arrays? Okay. See here. Sum dot length. Length is what here? Method or object? Variable.
Object.
Variable. See,
Variable.
method will always have like this: open bracket, close bracket. Okay. If you want to go inside this, you have to open the declaration. So it's had a return value of this value length, something you had to write. Okay. This is string class. You can see a string class. Now, if you want to go there inside this, it's a variable. See, it's not going anything. It's not doing anything. So for arrays, it's dot length. It's not a method, it's a variable name. Okay. But it will do the job. But here it's a length is a class. Okay. Tell me, I greater than equal to 0, right?
Yes.
I minus.
Minus.
Till this point, understood, guys? Understood?
So here it's a pre-decrement, right?
It's a post decrement, right? It's not pre. If we can do pre also, that will not matter.
We
See,
are just reversing, so we can use pre-decrement, right?
we'll use pre. See, it won't matter. You can use it. So see, this is the first thing happens. This second, then the body, then the increment. So anyhow, it's the fourth point. So it shouldn't matter. Okay. So let us take. Take. I don't know what is happening to me. My laptop is gone. REV equal to null. So I want Deepu reverse. Okay. Now, shall I write REV equal to, what do you have to write? Name. Now, so this is now the playing matters. So can I write Deepu like this? D space E space E space P space U. What exactly are this, sir? Combined is a string. If you divide, what it is?
Character.
Character. This one character, one character, one character, one character, one character. Total how many characters are there?
5 characters.
5 characters. Now you tell me name dot
Char.
caret of I. Okay. So now that also we have to do what? We have to append it. Then only it will make sense. Else it will not store, right? How do we store it? If rev equal to just name dot caret, answer will get is D. That's it. Others will not be appended. Understanding?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Not understanding. Okay. Tell me what are the doubts you have till from 6th line to 17th line. Come on, guys, shoot. Any doubts till now? Any doubts? 6th line to 17th line.
Could you repeat the DAO with reverse?
Okay, yeah.
So that we
Sure,
have
sure.
taken
Yeah.
char I, right?
Yeah.
So from there, how it reverse.
Okay, sure. Okay, let us analyze. What is the name dot length? 0. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What is the I
Yes.
value?
5.
I equal to 5? Okay,
Yes.
good. Now, I greater than 0, 5 greater than equal to 0?
Yes.
So
Good. Okay. I minus minus will happen in the 4th run. Okay,
yeah.
now. So, reverse is null. So, reverse equal to reverse plus. What is the char at 5th value?
U.
U. Okay.
Yeah.
U. So this is what is happening inside. Now, what it will become entirely? REV equal to
U.
U.
You.
Right?
Yes.
I minus minus increment, pre-increment, pre-decrement. Now,
Increment.
I's value is 4.
4.
4.
4 less than greater than equal to 0. True?
True.
Yes.
Yes.
So what is REV already? U.
U.
Yes.
we
Yeah.
have.
So U plus U equal to U plus
Plus
Caret.
Yes.
what happens when we increment this values? U plus P is UP?
Yeah.
You're not getting it. Okay. Next. Again, the same thing happened here. That's why I told concatenation. What happened here? Deepu plus Jyoti. Deepu Jyoti came,
Yeah.
right? U plus P, what happens? UP?
UP.
U.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So on it will happen. UPEE tick. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Understood till this point? Good.
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
So let's say this out. Control space. Let me put REV. So see, there is index out of bounds. Why? Okay. Let us do post decrement. Let's see whether we are correct or not. Again, it's an issue. So it is. So it typed this one, but there is an issue. You tell me what could be the issue. You tell me the answer.
Index.
So because
Zero.
minus 1
Maybe packages is not imported.
Package. Package.
Sir,
It's
So
whenever
string itself is a class. String is a default class of Java. So we don't
but
have
we
to
are using
implicitly.
string builder right over there for that also, which will be same.
See, if it was not imported, right? For example, right? Let's say scanner. Okay, scanner scan equal to new scanner. You can already see a error here, right?
Yes.
It specifically needs import. So string and all, they don't specifically need an import. Okay, let us see. Index 5 out of 5 length. That's the issue. Let's see.
So because of minus 1 method
Correct. That is what the issue. That's what. See, who is the one told? Sharatha.
me, sir.
Rajesh. Good, Rajesh. That's what I wanted. That's it. See, whenever you find out of bounds, right? When you're even if the error happens, we have to be making sure we have to solve the errors. How we can solve it? This is how we can solve it. See, out of bounds means only 5 characters should come. 6th character is also happening, but still it typed. This is different UDP. I think this one was this. Okay, let us go. Now it came.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So understood? This is using a method. Now, do you want to see what is inside this method? Okay, let's go. Super dot reverse. We'll come to super later. Construction chaining, we'll see. It also has a reverse method. If you go inside the reverse method, this is what they are doing internally also. This is how they are doing internally. Say same thing. Int j equal to this, greater than 0, j minus minus. Even the Java method, they are doing something like this, but we did the same loop we used, but in a different format. See, abstract string builder class, it's a string builder class. We'll remove this one. Similarly, we did. Understood? Till this point?
Yes.
Good. Okay, chalo. Now, I don't know whether Deepu is a male or a girl name. So let's say Deepak. We don't have anyone Deepak, right? I think Deepak is not there in the class, right? No Deepak. I want 2 names which are not there. Okay. Okay. Deepak will take. Instead of Jyoti, we will take Karishma, something like that. Okay. Okay. Now, so what was the name 3? Jyoti Karishma, right? Correct? Or Deepak Karishma? Let me run it.
Deepak Karishma.
Deepak Karishma.
Karishma.
Right? No. I want to split Deepak Karishma. I want to put a barrier between those two. Okay. You tell me how we can put a split. Or let us put like, okay, let's put, okay, I want this one to be split. So for split, there should be a delimiter. I'll come to that point. So instead of having this line, right, I'm using this one as name 3, okay? No. So I don't want to type this. So Deepak Karishma, both are not here, right? So we'll add everything, don't worry. So I want Deepak Karishma to split as Deepak and Karishma. Okay. There is a method in Java which is called split method. Okay. Now you tell me how will we do split? I think I would have added it, but yeah. Okay. I can go to basics, guys. Java sysout play around. That's it. Even okay. So it created method only. Nice. I don't want method. Sorry, what is happening here? Command space, huh? Control space. Sysout. Okay, so nice. So this is outside of the method. That's why it is not giving. Ooh. Nice, finally. So name 3 dot. Can we have split here? See, split is there, but it has with delimiters. String regex, integer mixed.
We have to consider first one, right? We are not using any integer mixed here.
That's it. So we can split by space, but what it will do, you have to understand. Okay. So just I put this 3 dot split. What exactly it is doing? It is splitting by regex. Okay. If I just give delimiter space, okay, then what it will become? Deepak Karishma with space. Will it not become an array? So see, if I have one name Deepak Karishma, right? If I divide it by space, right, then it will not become name 1, name 2. No? Not getting? Okay. For you guys to understand, okay, if I put here sys out, I'm entering inside on no? Name 3 of 0. What is happening here? There must be an array to take a reverse to resolve to a string. Okay, if I split it, so let's say string names equal to name 3 dot split. Okay, you're getting the point? Now you tell me sys out names of 0. So any doubt 21st line, Deepak? So did you understand this line 20th? Anyone understood it?
So,
So is this class? Am I audible?
yes, sir.
Okay.
But confusing, sir. 20.
Okay, chalo. So forget till this point. I don't. Okay, let me. Okay, let me take another class. Okay, if it is confusing, let us do one more. String method something. Okay. Okay. Now, fresh, nice.
Yes.
Let's take this one only. Good. So if I have direct name, so instead of name 1 and name 2, I'll write. So it is Deepak space Karishma. So let us go from basics. So Deepak space Karishma. At least now understood name 3, Deepak Karishma, or
Yes,
name
sir.
only, okay?
Yes.
So, okay. If you have understood this, let's say a split happens between these two, breakup. They both got in a breakup. Okay, what will happen? What happened here?
Deepak is separate and Karishma is separate.
This is what I wanted to know. Both are separated, right? If
Yes.
both are separate, become an array, right?
All right.
They have an invisible wall. They are in a breakup now. Now, before they were united, how will you do breakup? We will create a string. Let's say the string breakup. Breakup all I'm adding for you to understand clearly. Tell me what I've done. Name dot. How do we have to split them?
Split.
By space.
Space. Yes.
So, what is the error here? Can't type breakup to string. So, it has to be an array. See? Understood till this point, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Understood? Now, if I just type sys out. Now, since it is an array, how do I check the length? Length of an array. Come on. Come on, guys. You can do
Breakup
it.
dot length.
Breakup dot.
Length.
See. Getting it. I told no for array how the length will come. Got it too?
Yes.
Got the split function. So breakup is working now. Now, after few days, they came together. Okay, means they were really happy. How do you unite?
Patch up.
Patch up. Okay, let's have a patch up. Do you want to patch up a string or an array?
String.
String. Let's say patch up. Tell me how to do it. How do we patch up?
Concatenate.
Concatenation is the one. But what we're doing concatenation? We're using strings, right? Where is that concat method? Oh, concat itself is gone. Huh? Okay. Um,
Append
okay.
also you can use.
Sorry.
Append will it work?
Okay, let's see. So breakup. If I put dot, there is something. Notify wait, something is there. Clone is there. To think. Can we do anything? So yesterday I was talking about something, right? I don't know whether it will work or not. Let's see. Arrays, if you put dot, there is something should be toString. But toString, will it take an array? Okay, let's say. Does it have an array? Array, toString. ToString of breakup. Okay. Okay. So now if I put sysout patch up, so if I run it, see, Deepak patched up. But now they are not like a name. Okay, but they are
Element.
separated by a comma. So imagine when we have a breakup, when they get separated or whatever, there should be some alignment. Okay, this is what yesterday I was talking about. Yesterday or day before yesterday. So we can actually convert arrays to string. Okay, so when we have this is now, you have to understand what is exactly is this. Java util.arrays. Whenever you go to util, now open declaration, what is this? A class. Okay, so now whenever you go for a class will have methods. If you want to see what and all the methods are there, just put arrays dot. So binary search, compare, a number of things are there which we are not worried from. But you remember integer class, kind of wrapper class, it is that one. So understood split, any doubt in split?
No.
Okay, now
Sir, like
shall we see
one confusion, sir. Like in split, right? In brackets, we are writing na like double quotes. So basically, in which point we have to like split, that we have to give it, right? So Deepak, after
For
that just
example, if Deepak Karishma had this, right? You have to split
then,
by,
okay.
then only it will work. Understood?
Yes.
So split means with what you want to split.
Okay, where exactly we
Deepak
have
Karishma
to?
had at the rate.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Now you have to give here what?
At the rate.
At the rate. Understood?
Yes, I got it.
Oh, I'm not able to give it. Shift, okay. At the rate. Now if I run this, understood, got two values. So whatever the value delimiter means, it's a way to split. How do you want to split? Okay? Understood, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Shall we see one program? Palindrome, shall we see? Remember, you guys were telling we want to do madam. I think some Divyashri only, I think, asked us. Madam, right?
Yes.
So you asked madam and all, but I told we'll see that in future. Shall we see one program? Then I'll give you one program to practice.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Oh, already it's 11, huh? Okay. Do you want to do it? Okay. No issues. I will only tell. No problem. Okay. Now, you remember how to reverse it? I just told. How to reverse it?
Length minus 1.
Length.
Okay. So, okay, we can use like that. Okay. Let's use a for loop. We'll
For loop.
copy the same, right? So, split means with what you want to split. How do you want to split? Okay. Now, you remember how to reverse it? I just told. So now here reverse, we have to do what? String rev equal to null, right? So string main string, something like that, okay, equal to madam. So main string and reverse should be same. Instead of name here, what should we give? Main string.
Main
Okay. Now, so in Java, there is something called equal, dot equal. How do we see the strings? How do we put equal to the strings? Okay. So how do we see this out? So if rev dot is, sorry, rev dot equals main string. So if it comes true output, then it's a palindrome. I'm just dividing the program. Okay. Now tell me this one in a if condition.
If rev equals to main string.
Equals to equal to we can use, but since we're in string, let us use this one. Okay.
Yeah.
This is more appropriate. Equal to also is fine, but let's do it like this. Sys out palindrome. Palindrome. Else.
Not a parent.
Not palindrome.
Not
Not a palindrome. Okay. Okay. So getting palindrome. So Madam I is a palindrome. Not palindrome. Right? It's working fine. Now, tell me, I told one more method to do the reverse. I explained one more just before.
Dot reverse.
What reverse? But for reverse, will it work in string?
Character.
Character we did, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys forgot. No problem. Remember string builder, our friend string builder? String builder, forgot?
Yes.
String builder RV equal to new string builder. It directly has reverse. So shall we give madam here?
Yes.
So now,
Yeah.
if so RV, let us put like this something here. Okay, string RV2, something like that. Okay, equal to if I put RV dot reverse should come.
Reverse.
So now, what is the issue? Change RV2 to string builder. Okay, let us do this also. Now, so RV and RV2 are string builders. Now, can we compare string builders? So the same thing works here also. If RV equals RV2. Good. So let's start. Palindrome. This also is palindrome. This also palindrome.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there is one more method to reverse. Just I'm playing around with you guys. Okay. Now one more method to reverse. Tell me how. Then we can stop. Don't worry. There is something called string buffer. Okay, 11:06 all the time. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just add both the things in the chat. Okay, please do copy it. Many of the class is recorded, I know, but still, you guys please copy it. Tomorrow we'll continue. Tomorrow, let me get the Windows laptop. Suddenly in the class, it was not charging. These things happen. What I can do? So anyways, I have this laptop only. So I installed straight away this Eclipse and started. Sorry for this. Apologies. Okay. Shall I give you homework? Will you do till what you have learned?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. So we have done split, right? Okay. Take programs on split. So understand, it's very easy. Okay. Now, so I have something called. Okay, I'll add here only. I have something called, how many people? Rajesh, comma, Sharat, comma. Let me take some other people. Who is there in the class? Say Radhika. Okay, Radhika. So split these persons by comma. Okay, you got the delimiter. Okay, now this is Java class. Split this by delimiter, use split method. What is the delimiter in this split this Java class? What's the delimiter?
Comma.
This Java class. Huh? Okay. What is the delimiter between Sharat, Rajesh, and Radhika?
Comma, sir.
Comma.
Comma.
What is the delimiter between the this is Java class?
Space.
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 You understood? Okay.
Yes.
Use split method. Okay. Now we have seen reverse, right? Reverse. Okay. Okay, how to reverse the string? Just do how to reverse the string by. Okay, we have already seen without the reverse method, right? Recursive function I haven't told you guys. Okay, no problem. What is the other method we have started?
String builder.
String builder. So string builder is a class that's totally fine. Okay, do these two things. Okay, tomorrow we'll have complete string class. Okay, we will make sure we'll learn n number of things. So string has lot of things, guys. Okay, lot. So don't worry on that part. I'll take care of it. But you understood this concept, right? Okay. One more example you take. One more example. Okay. Now, did I tell matrix example addition? You understood this one, right? Okay. One
Yeah.
example on matrix will take.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. So instead of addition, write matrix multiplication. Okay, and matrix transpose. Two things, four things I have done. So Rajesh, Sharath, and Radhika use delimiter. This is Java class. Use split. Same thing. Matrix multiplication, matrix transpose. Did you guys understood the matrix one?
What is fourth one, sir? Matrix transfer.
Transpose. Okay. What exactly is transpose? You remember the transpose of a matrix? You don't know what is the transpose?
No.
Okay. So transpose means, let's say we have okay, let me share. I do have paint here, paint. Okay, something we have. Okay. Okay, sorry, let me leave this. I don't know whether I have an Excel here. Chalo. I don't even have an Excel here. Good. Nice. Good. So let me go to program itself. Okay. Let me run this matrix, right? Okay. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got rows 2, columns 2, right? This is the 1, 3 are rows. These are columns, right? This is a row. This is a column. Now, what if you had something called 3, 3? don't do the sum. Okay. If I had something called 3, 2, what are the rows of this? How many rows are there?
3 rows, 2 columns.
3
Three.
rows and 2 columns.
Two
Understood?
columns.
Ah.
Yes.
Transpose means exactly swapping rows and columns. So
Rows.
the output of the matrix will be transpose will be like this. So transpose something. So it should be a matrix. So matrix will come like this. So it should be exactly opposite. Rows should be columns, columns should be rows. So it should be 2 and 3.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just give this example. You copy. I'll add in the chat so that you guys can remember. It's easy only. Don't worry. If you don't get it, I'll tell. But please try. Okay. If you guys, how much ever you try, you'll understand. So this is the matrix. Whatever rows are there, no rows and columns will be exactly opposite. Okay. You do matrix multiplication, matrix transpose. You do. This is the one. This is Java class and do. Tomorrow I'll give n number of programs, n number of methods. We'll see. Okay. Okay. Any doubts till this point?
No, sir.
All good?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo then. We'll stop the recording.